And that may indeed be a direct reflection of you doing more of these, more of the exercises, keep it into place. So, that's an objective way to say something's changed.
Right.
So you walk around a little bit, tell me if you feel anything.
Definitely.
Okay. What questions do you have for me?
The only thing that I think is still the walking. I'm not sure why, because everything everybody tells you the walking shouldn't be a problem with this, but it is. So that's something I really need to admit, not being able to, walk for exercise.
I agree with you. I agree with you. Did you take a walk yesterday?
Well, grocery shopping.
Yes. But here's the big thing, and this may or not even be relevant. Grocery shopping ain't walking. Grocery shopping is pushing a cart, maybe leaning over the cart a little bit, taking things up, placing things in the cart, as opposed to a direct walk. So walking, I believe, would be really good for you, and I have no objection with you walking today. I would, because you had trouble walking, I think we'd be real conservative. You literally walk for 5 minutes at a good brisk pace, turn around and come home. 10-minute walk. If you don't have any issue with that, you can progress it, 2.5 minutes in each direction each day, So no problem with the 10-minute walk, 15-minute walk, no problem 20-minute walk. And this way, you never get too far from the house initially, in case you get into trouble better from that. But that's a big difference. A nice, upright, purposeful walk. Bend your back backwards just like the presidents, as opposed to leave. The mall bothers everybody. Shopping at the mall bothers everybody. It's leisurely walking, you're stopping, you're looking at things, you're talking, it bothers, those hard surfaces, it bothers everybody. So a nice, upright, purposeful walk is going to be different than shopping. And I like walking, you're not sitting, and it should affect you good. So I'm all for you starting that now. The one thing I would comment on is people will assume it was the exercise or the activity that bothered you, even if it didn't bother you while you were walking. So I'll hear from patients. I ran, I walked, and it really bothered me. My next question always is, did it bother you while you were walking? And it's amazing how often they say no. It was after, right? So after you exert yourself, you never see anybody in the gym in the locker room like this, right? Or and now your exercise muscles are extensible, they're loose, and so now things can move a little further than they normally do. But people can't imagine, they just can't relate that I hurt myself sitting. I was lifting weights, I was running, I was walking, that had to be the problem. No one's ever sprained their ankle and not known when they sprained. If you're walking and there's a problem with the walking, it's going to hurt while you're walking.
Which it does, though.
When you're walking for exercise?
Yeah.
That's just my proposal. It's my proposal.